Okay, the first question I asked was provide 10 writing prompts for history for second grade students, and then I did regenerate it 3 times. And I liked the second answer that it gave me because, so the first one is pretty much like the second one, but then we have the third one and it just has questions. But if you go to the second one, underneath the questions, if I lived in a log cabin, it says imagine or pretend or what would it be like. And I just think that really would help the kids understand how to answer the question. So yeah, it gave me 10 good questions for that, or 10 good prompts. And then the lesson plan that I have, I liked the first one the best because it talks about exploring habitats, and there's a lot of different things for the students to do. So they get to do a craft, I think, a craft, and then it tells you to start with a question, and you're going to show different habitats. And then there's a game, they play a little game, and then an explanation, a little discussion, and then you have the craft. And then there's a worksheet with a habitat hunt. And then, yeah. So the prompt that I created was, I had chatgpt provide 5 different activities for my first grade students that they could participate in order for them to be kind to one another. So I think I also liked number 2 with this one. And then it gave me 5 different things. Kindness Buddy Day, I think, is really smart. So they're always getting different friends to kind of pair up with and, be friends with throughout the day. And then the Helping Hands wall, the kindness jar. I was in a first grade room, and they had, it wasn't necessarily a kindness jar, but there was a student jar and a teacher jar, and that jar really helped the students behave how they're supposed to. So I think a kindness jar would kind of work like that, and would be a really great idea. And then the compliment circle, compliments are always a great thing, and then the kindness chain. So those were my prompts.